Okay, I'm going to go over the ways that we can commonly test, a common single tap current transformer. This one happens to be 2000 to 5. We'll do the easy way first. This will be the method usually used for routine testing, where the objective is to get a data sheet, get the job done. Okay, I can elect to save it to the SD card, the internal SD card, or FTP it to the server when the test is complete. Okay, I'm going to select both right now. It says SD1, that means it's going to the SD card. And now it says FTP1. Okay, I've selected those two things, and I've read the little legend across the bottom that tells me that they've been activated. Once they're activated, they stay activated while the power is on, because you make the assumption that, this just one test, and you want to just keep it that way. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, I know this saturates above 200 volts, is simply press hot 2. Okay, this works for either a multi-tap or a single tap CT. It collects the data either way. If it detects that the CT is a single tap, it will just record the data for one tap and be done with it. Right now it is raising the output voltage, seeking a nominal voltage in from the single turn primary of about 0.1 volts. You see it's reading 2000.46, and it's saving that data to the flash drive. If you plug a flash drive in before you boot it up, it will save the data to the flash drive. In addition, at the end of the test, it will post it to the server via FTP, and it will save it to the internal SD card. And the data on the internal SD card, I'll get to that in another video, and be copied to the flash drive. If I don't have the flash drive in there, it will save it. I can copy it to the flash drive later. I can start an FTP server and download it from the office, or I can email it. Okay, it's now going to saturate the current transformer. It's doing tap X1, and of course that's the only tap in this case. It's ramping up the voltage and taking voltage and current data. It has reached saturation, that's why it says SAT under the amps. There's a distortion algorithm that detects the saturation point. You probably hear the CT humming as it's driven into saturation. It has plotted the saturation curve. It is also saving the saturation data to the flash drive. That's what it's doing right now. The little green light on the flash drive is flashing as it does this. I have it zoomed in so you can't see it, but trust me, it's flashing. It has saved the data. The test is now complete. It is downloading the descriptive information. It's posting the data. And now it is saving it to the SD card. And it has returned to the main menu. The test is complete. The names of the HTML files that have been posted to the server are right there. And there is a web feature that allows you to incorporate those in a database where you can recall it and generate a data sheet at any time. Now, in addition to that method, there are also manual methods. I can test the CT manually. Turn the output on. I can increase the variac. If I prefer to do it under a closer observation, the old-fashioned way, I'm able to do that. Here the ratio is settled out, and now I can save it. I can press the save button and save it to the flash drive. I can press the FTP and post another file to the server, or I can press SD save, which I just did accidentally, and it saved it to the SD card. And that is all the ways I can test a single tap CT, both with full automation and manual mode. I can also press this automatic key right here, and it would ramp it up, take the reading, and save it to the local flash drive, the flash drive plugged into the front. Thank you for watching.